I love 他爱唱歌 He likes singing 8 现在8点了 It's 8 o'clock now 爸爸 Father 你爸爸叫什么名字 What's your father name 杯子 cup glass 我想喝一杯水I want a glass of water. 北京 Beijing 我父母在北京 My parents are in Beijing. 本 Major word for books 你看过这本书吗 Have you read this book? 不 No他不是巴基斯坦人 He is not a Pakistani 不客气 You are welcome 不客气我希望你们能很快再来 You are welcome I hope you will come again soon 菜 Food dish 你喜欢中国菜吗 Do you like Chinese food?茶 tea 你想喝茶还是牛奶 Would you like to tea or milk 吃 eat 我想吃鸡肉 I want to eat chicken 出租车 taxi 他爸爸是司机他开出租车 His father is a driver He drives a taxi 打电话To make a telephone call 今天老板打电话来了吗 Did the boss call today? 大 big 中国很大 China is very big The possessive particle 这是我的笔 This is my pen 点 dot clock a little 现在几点了 What time is it now?电脑 computer 昨天我买了一个新的电脑 I bought a new computer yesterday 电视 television TV 明天我将买新的电视 Tomorrow I will buy a new TV 电影 film movie 这个电影你看过了吗Have you seen this video? 东西 things 我去买东西 I'm going to buy things 都 all both 这些本书都是你的吗 Are all these books yours? 读 read 我很喜欢读书 I like reading very much对不起 I am sorry 对不起我错了 Sorry I was wrong 多 many much more 朋友这个手机多少钱 Friend how much is this phone 多少 Many much how much 老板那个手表多少钱 Boss how much is that watch 儿子 son 我有3个儿子 I have 3 sons 2今天是我们的第2课 Today is our second class 饭店 hotel restaurant 请问这里有中国饭店吗 Excuse me, is there a Chinese restaurant here? 飞机 airplane plane 今天我买了飞机票。分钟 minute 我的手机快了5分钟 My watch is 5 minutes faster。高兴 happy 我很高兴见到您。I am very happy to meet you。歌 universal major word 哪一个是你的狗 Which one is your dog？ 工作 work 你做什么工作 What's your job work？ 狗 dog 你的狗叫什么名字 What is the name of your dog？ 汉语 Chinese language 你会说汉语吗 Do you speak Chinese？ 好 Good 我的老师很好 My teacher is very good。 好 Number date 今天几号 What date is today？ 和 and 我很喜欢我的猫和狗 I really like my cat and dog。 喝 to drink 我想喝果汁 I want to drink juice。 很 very 我很喜欢学习中文 I really like to learn Chinese。 后面 backside 火车站在哪儿你的后面 Where is the train station Your backside。 会 back return 你什么时候回家 When will you go back home？ 会 can 我会说英语 I can speak English。 几 How many A few several 今天星期几 What date is today？ 家 home 我的家在中国 My home is in China。 叫 to call 你爸爸叫什么名字 What is your father name？ 今天 today 今天是星期天 Today is Sunday。 9 9这个月是9月 This month is September。 开 start open turn on switch on。 汉语水平考试现在开始 The Chinese proficiency test is now start。 看 see look at watch read 我的女儿每天看书 My daughter read a book every day。 看见 see catch sight of 我刚才看见了他 I saw him just now。 块 piece yuan unit of money in China。 请给我一块苹果 Please give me a piece of apple。 来 come arrive 今天你来不来我的办公室 Are you coming to my office today？ 老师 teacher 王是我汉语老师 Wang is my Chinese teacher。 了 use at the end of completion of action。 外面下雨了 It's raining outside。 冷 cold 今天天气很冷 Today weather is very cold。 里 inside inner 妈妈在厨房里面 Mother is in the kitchen。 6 6今天是星期六 Today is Saturday。 妈妈 Mother 我爱我妈妈和爸爸 I love my mother and father。 妈 question particle 你好吗 How are you？ 买 to buy 你想买什么 What do you want to buy 猫 cat 这个小猫我妹妹给我 This catty is given to me by my sister 没关系 It's okay never mind 管他想什么都没关系 It doesn't matter what he think 没有 not have There is not 你没有他高 You are not as tall as him 米饭 rice 我想吃米饭 I want to eat rice 名字 name 你的老师叫什么名字 What is your teacher's name 明天 tomorrow 明天我去巴基斯坦 Tomorrow I will go to Pakistan 哪 which 那个是你的书包 Which one is your school bag 哪儿 where 你去哪儿 Where are you going 那 that 那是我汉语书 That is my Chinese book 呢 use for asking same question 我很好你呢 I'm fine What about you 能 can 你能不能便宜点儿 Can you be cheaper 你 you 你是中国人吗 Are you Chinese 年 year 新年快乐 Happy New Year 女儿 daughter 我有两个女儿 I have two daughters 朋友 friend 王先生是我的好朋友 Mr. Wong is my good friend 漂亮 pretty beautiful 我的女朋友很漂亮 My girlfriend is very beautiful 苹果 apple 我想吃苹果 I want to eat apple 7 7现在7点了 It's 7 o'clock now 前面 front 饭店在前面 The hotel is in front 钱 money 这个杯子多少钱 How much is this cup 请 please 请我可以进来吗 May I come in please 去 go 今天晚上我去中国 I'm going to China this evening 热 hot 今天天气太热了 The weather is too hot today run people 你是哪国人 Where are you from 认识 to know 你认识他吗 Do you know him 3 3我住在3楼 I live on 3rd floor 商店 store 这个商店什么时候开 When does this store open 上 on 小猫在桌子上 The catty is on the table 上午 morning 每天上午几点起床 What time does it get up every morning 少 less 这个杯子里面水很小 There is very little water in this cup 谁 who 这是谁的手表 Whose watch is this 什么 What 这是什么地方 What is this place 是10现在10点了 It's 10 o'clock now 时候 time 你什么时候来我们的工厂 When are you coming to our factory 是 Yes 我是巴基斯坦人 I'm Pakistani 书 book 这个本书是谁的 Whose book is this 水 water 他喝水很冷 He drinks cold water 水果 fruit 水果店 在哪儿 Where is the fruit shop? 睡觉 sleep, go to bed. 你每天什么时候睡觉 When do you sleep every day? 说 to say. 你说话汉语吗 Do you speak Chinese? 4 今天4点见 See you at 4 o'clock today. 岁 years old. 我今天37岁了 I am 37 years old this year. 他 he him. 他是我的朋友 He is my friend. 她 she her. 她是我的女朋友 She is my girlfriend. 太度今天天气太好了 The weather is very good today. 天气 the weather. 今天天气怎么样 How's the weather today? 听 listen. 我的爱好是听音乐 My hobby is listen to music. 同学 classmate. 阿丽是我的同学 Ali is my classmate. 喂 hello. 喂你是哪位 Hello, who are you? 我很好 I am very good. 我们 we us. 我们都是巴基斯坦人 We are all Pakistani. 5 我5点下班 I am off work at 5. 喜欢 like 你喜欢中国菜吗 Do you like Chinese food? 下 under 你什么时候下课 When do you finish class? 下午 afternoon 明天下午我去飞机场 I will go to airport tomorrow afternoon. 下雨 rain 现在外面下雨了 It's raining now. 先生 Mr. 王先生在办公室 Mr. Wang is in the office. 现在 just now 现在几点了 What time is it now? 想 want miss 我想喝可乐 I want to drink Coca-Cola. 小 small 这个椅子很小 This chair is very small. 小姐 miss 她是阿伊莎小姐 She is Miss Aisha. 写 some 这些是苹果 These are apples. 写 write 你写汉字吗 Do you write Chinese character? 谢谢 Thank you. 谢谢你 Thanks you. 星期 week 今天星期五 Today is Friday. 学生 student 我是学生 I am a student. 学习 learn 我学习中文 I study Chinese. 学校 school 我在学校 I am at school. 1今天我的第一课 Today is my first lesson. 一点 little 我会说汉语一点 I can speak a little Chinese. 衣服 cloth 我想买这件衣服 I want to buy this dress. 医生 doctor 我的爸爸是医生 My father is a doctor. 医院 hospital 我妈妈工作在医院 My mother is doing work in the hospital. 椅子 chair 小狗在椅子下面 The puppy is under the chair. 有 have 你有美元吗 Do you have dollar? 月 month 我的生日是1月28号。My birthday is January 28. 再见 Goodbye. 明天见再见 See you tomorrow. Goodbye. 在 at in on. 我的书在桌子上。My book is on the table. 怎么好你怎么了 What happened to you? 怎么样 How about it? 你爸妈身体怎么样 How is your parents' health? 这 this 这是我的书 This is my book. 中国 China 中国很大 China is very big. 中午 noon 中午我们一起吃饭 We have lunch together at noon. 住 live 我住在巴基斯坦 I live in Pakistan. 桌子 table 我的电脑在桌子上 My computer is on the table. 字 word 我会写汉字 I can write Chinese character. 昨天 yesterday 昨天我去过中国 I went to China yesterday. 坐 sit 请坐 Please sit down. 做 to do 你哥哥做什么工作 What does your brother do?